Hi, I'm Alex. I'm one part of the Crafty Clay Babes, and I'm also the owner of the Veggie Art Bandit. I've been selling clay cutters and making clay cutters for over 3 years now, and I am so excited to show you how to make a very basic circle cutter, polymer clay cutter if you're in Fusion 360. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go up here to the top left and click Create Sketch. And you're going to want to look down on your workspace. So I started up here from the top. You don't necessarily have to do this, but it's what I do every time just so that I know where to go every time I bring in a new design or start a new cutter. So I'm going to click that plane. And now that I'm in here, I'm going to go up here to the top left under the Create section and click Center Diameter Circle. I'm going to place the center of it and I'm going to drag it out. I think I want this to be an inch. So I'm just going to type in 1 IN and then click Enter. And so that right there will be our clay piece. So now we just need to build out the wall. So to do that, we're going to offset this line to make the blade. And you can do that by going to Modify up at the top left and go down to Offset. Or if you have a hotkey set up, you can press O on your keyboard and offset it that way. So then you'll just click the circle and I'm going to offset it by 0.millimeters. Use a top big, the standard nozzle is on a 3D printer. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to offset again for the handle. So I'm going to drag that out quite a ways so it's nice and comfy and click OK. And now I'm going to finish my sketch. So now we have our sketch, we can start building out our physical cutter. So if you use this tool down here at the bottom, it says Orbit. If you click it, you can look at your workspace. And now our sketch looks a little more three-dimensional. But I'm just going to center it again by using a little box over here on the top right. And now I'm going to extrude. So over here on the top left, I'm going to extrude the blade first. I like to do a 0.5-inch blade or half an inch blade. So I put in 0.5 IN. And I'm going to click OK. The sketch is going to disappear, but that's okay. All we need to do is toggle it back on by clicking the little eye icon. And now we're going to go over here to the top left again and click Extrude. And we're going to extrude the handle. I like to do a 0.2-inch handle. And make sure it's set to join. And then you click OK. And that's it. You have a very simple circle cutter. You could go ahead and print this and be well on your way. You can make lots of different sizes. If you're a polymer clay artist, it's new to 3D printing, is interested in making their own cutters or tools, or you're already making your own tools and want to improve on them, please consider checking out the caption. I've included our resources and my course. We have lots of happy students, and I hope you'll consider subscribing and look out for more videos.